a floral ballet. Nature's awakening, a vibrant display, blossoms unfurl in hues so bright, a canvas painted in the soft sunlight. Summer strides in with warmth and cheer, golden days stretching far and near. Fields of green sway in the gentle breeze, under the sun's radiant warming tease. Autumn whispers with a rustling song, leaves in hues, a dance prolonged. Crimson gold, a tapestry on trees, nature's final ode before the freeze. Winter arrives in a frosty attire, snowflakes descend in a soft gyre. A hushed serenity, a world in white, nature rests in the quiet of the night. Seasons waltz in an eternal ballet, a choreography of time in a rhythmic array. Nature's symphony, a cyclical rhyme, a dance of seasons, a captivating mime.